If you're struggling to start your business or you've been thinking about it for a while, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a business in the next 24 hours. Better yet, you don't need fancy tech, you don't need the perfect product, and you don't need to spend weeks and weeks of prep time. You just need to follow these 6 simple steps that I'm going to go through in this video. Step 1 is to choose your business idea, and you're going to do that in 30 minutes or less. You can stop overcomplicating because you don't need a world-changing, groundbreaking idea. You need something simple that people will pay for right now. One of the ways is to look at your existing skills. So let's look at what skills you already have. Can you design a logo? Can you write marketing copy? Can you teach the guitar? What do you already know that you could teach somebody? What's something people struggle with around you that you've solved? Are you good at time management? Are you good with social media? Have you been able to get in shape or stay in shape? What about your hobbies? Do you love gardening or cooking, playing video games? I love this game called Super Smash Brothers, and there's coaches that teach you how to play Super Smash. People want to learn from people who are passionate. If you're passionate about something, that's going to become a lot easier for you to teach. Now, for those of you who are still unsure, let's go to ChatGPT and I'll show you how you can get even more ideas. Okay, so here I've come up with a really general prompt that you can tailor specific to what you're looking for. I've told ChatGPT that I want to start a business teaching people something, and I want some general ideas around pets, kids, work, and hobbies. So let's take a look. We've got pets. Under pets, we've got pet training. You've got pet care workshops. Pet photography is kind of interesting. For kids, I mean, parenting is a classic one. You've also got child development seminars, cooking for kids. For work, if you got some skill at work, you can do productivity training, remote work skills. Those are skills that are becoming more and more important as we start to become digital. Hobbies, you can run art and craft workshops. I actually had a friend who started some art workshops herself, and there was a lot of interest in that niche. It sounded like something really fun that she enjoyed to do. And look at this, down the bottom, ChatGPT even came up with some combination ideas that you could try. Pets and kids training, work-life balance. So all those ways are going to help you to come up with your next business idea. Give yourself 30 minutes to try it for yourself and see what you come up with. Don't worry, this offer won't be your last, so don't sweat it. You're going to gain clarity with action. Just make sure you're moving forward. Analysis paralysis is an epidemic that's holding back so many entrepreneurs from actually being entrepreneurs. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you like and subscribe so you see more videos just like this. Now let's continue with step 2. Let's define 5 people who are going to pay you, but that can be any number you like. The fastest way to start any business is to get paying customers. So here's the trick. Don't focus on getting everything perfect. Just start selling. You can text 5 people right now. You can say something like, hey, I'm offering service and I think it can help you with problem. Would you be interested? If you're doing something like dog walking, it's a really simple offer. People are either going to be interested or not. The benefit is you have people's trust already, so you don't need to try to build that. Another thing you can do is make a post on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, wherever you have the most contacts on, and you can post your offer. Remember, you're not building a brand yet. You're just finding people who need what you're offering. You can start creating content around your business. You don't need a huge following to make money. You just have to target the right people. Here's a guy who teaches you how to make YouTube funnels. He's got 2,000 subscribers and has already made $80,000. So for this action, reach out to 5 people within an hour and ask them if they're interested in your business. This is another way to get feedback for your business, because if no one's interested in your idea, then it's either a bad idea or you just haven't found the right people yet. So the next step, even though we touched on it in the last step, is to create a no-brainer offer. For someone to pay you, they need to feel like they're getting an amazing deal. Your offer needs to be so good it feels stupid to say no, as Alex Hormozi says. So here's the formula for you to create your no-brainer offer. First of all, what are you offering? Be clear and specific about it. For example, I'll create 30 social media posts in the next 7 days. And next, you have to be able to demonstrate the value. In making 30 social media posts, it's going to boost your following, and it's also going to help you to find new customers. And so what's the price? Well, the price has to be low enough for early customers, but high enough to show value. Some people feel more confident starting for free, others can charge. You really just have to think about what feels right for you. So here's an example tying it all in together. I'll write 5 SEO optimized blog posts for your website this week for $250. It's going to help you rank higher in Google and help you get more organic traffic. So for this action, you're going to create your offer in 15 minutes and you're going to focus on what you can do right now to help your customer win. Step 4 is to set up simple payments. You don't need a website or an LLC to get paid. You just need a way to accept money. You can use things like PayPal, Venmo, Stripe, Cash App. You can even use your bank account, so don't let this step get you stuck. All you have to do is send your client a payment link or invoice via email or text. You can literally do this in 10 minutes or less. Step 5 is to deliver your service in 48 hours. Once someone pays you, you want to deliver what you promised fast. You'll learn as you go, but the key is to do the work well and as quickly as possible. Let's say you're offering social media management, then send them the first post within a day. If it's coaching, schedule your first session as soon as possible. Speed builds trust in this game, so your action is to deliver your service or your product within the next 48 hours. Your reputation depends on it. And step 6 is to ask for feedback and referrals. The fastest way to grow your business is through word of mouth, so once you've delivered value to your first customer, ask them for a testimonial or a referral. A testimonial is simple feedback that you can use for future clients, and a referral is asking them if they have anyone else they know that could benefit from your service or your product. If we go with a social media post example, we'd say something like, hey, I'd love to hear how the social media posts work for your business. Also, if you know anyone who could use my help, feel free to share my details and I'll help them too. So to recap your 24-hour business plan, you're going to pick your idea, you're going to keep it simple and focus on what you can offer right now. You're going to find 5 potential customers. You're going to reach out to them through your network or through your social media platforms. You're going to create a no-brainer offer and make it really easy for them to say yes. You're going to set up your payments. That's through PayPal, Venmo, Stripe, or whatever works for you. And then you're going to deliver fast or as fast as possible, ideally within 48 hours. And then you're going to ask for referrals or testimonials. Word of mouth is our growth engine. You know, most people spend months overthinking their business idea. Don't be most people. One of the biggest barriers to success is waiting for the perfect time to start your business. The sad truth is, there's no better time than yesterday, but the next best time is today. The only difference between people running their business and people who haven't is that they just started. So be one of those people and start your business now. You don't need to know everything. You just need to take the first step. So I challenge you to start your business in the next 24 hours. If you like this video and want to learn more about how you can build your own business, make sure you join my community below and check out this video to learn more about business. See you on the next one. Cheers.